Collaboration meaning pronunciation. Collaboration. Collaboration is the act of working together with others to achieve a common goal or complete a task. It can refer to teamwork or partnerships in any field, such as work, art, or research. Simple meaning. Collaboration equals working together with others. Common uses. Collaboration noun. The action of working together with others to accomplish something. Example. The team's collaboration led to the successful launch of the project. Collaboration noun. Business. A partnership between companies or people for a specific purpose. Example. The two companies entered into a collaboration to create a new product. Collaboration noun. Art/music. When artists or musicians work together on a project. Example. Their collaboration resulted in a chart-topping song. Collaboration noun in general. Cooperation in any kind of work or activity. Example. The research was a collaboration between several universities. Examples: daily use sentences. The collaboration between the two teams resulted in a breakthrough. Successful collaboration requires good communication and trust. They collaborated on a new software project that improves productivity. The artist's latest collaboration with a famous designer is very popular. We are looking forward to collaborating with other organizations to improve education. Real-life explanation. Collaboration is about people or groups coming together to combine their strengths, skills, or knowledge to work on something together. Whether it's a work project, a school assignment, or an art piece, collaboration is essential for achieving great results.